Hi guys, it's Brooke here. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Pinterest to best fit your classroom needs. So right here we're looking at my home page, and this just is a bunch of posts that Pinterest thought related to previous searches that I have come up with. So up here at the top you have a search bar, and you can type in anything from dinosaur party ideas to kindergarten crafts, math worksheets for elementary schoolers, all sorts of things. So we're going to go over up here to the right hand corner. We see home, which is the page we are on currently. If you follow anyone, it'll come up with their post right here. And this is your account. So I'm going to click on my account for right now, and you can see that I have created a few boards. So I have a board that has kindergarten math ideas and a board that has kid DIY crafts. Right now I'm thinking science ideas are something I'm looking for kids. So underneath this search bar, there's a button that looks like a plus. We're going to click on it, and you can either create a board or a pin. But for right now, we're just going to create a board. This little screen pops up, and it says name. So I'm going to do Science for Kids. This is going to be the name of my board that I'm creating. Right here, this is secret mode. I don't prefer to use it. It just makes your board so that the public can't see it. It's just for you. I like other people to be able to see what I've been pinning, so I don't turn it on. So then you're going to hit the create button. And once the page refreshes, it will pop up with your board that I just created. So now I want to be able to add some pins to this. So I'm going to go back up to my search bar, and I'm going to type in Science for Kindergarten. Right, and all of these different ideas pop up. Elephant toothpaste, apple science, why do leaves change colors? Thousands of ideas. And remember, when you're trying to find something for your classroom, you can take something you find, combine it with something else you find, take it and modify it a little bit, because that's the best way to do it. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to show you how to save something to your board. I'm going to go into this. This one looks like it's called Apple Science, has tons of different things. This website right here will bring you to step-by-step instructions of how you do the experiment and all of that. So at the top of this pin, there's a send button, and that'll say if you want to send something to another teacher or a parent, this is how you do so. For here, right here, this is like the pin, the board that it's going to save your pin to. Once you get super into Pinterest, you might create lots of boards, and it can get confusing. So you really want to make sure that this is the right board. And this is a science experiment, and I'm saving it to Science for Kids. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then once you do so, it'll say save to Science for Kids, so you can either use that the next week in your classroom, or if you want to wait a few months before doing so, you can do it that way. But this way, once you go back, you can create tons of different boards with tons of ideas, and that way you can keep your kids creatively engaged because you're coming up with new ideas every day for the classroom. So this is a super fun tool, especially in elementary, the younger grades, to come up with neat things that they would not normally see in a classroom. Thanks so much for listening to my video. Bye!